Howdy folks, Chuck over here at Worldwide RV, and today I want to show you the 30Z Greyhawk, one of the best floor plans that Jayco makes, and let's go over some details. So one of the great things that Jayco did in 2021 is they switched their engine in the Ford chassis that they use. So it's an E450. It used to be a 6.8 liter V10. Now it's a 7.3 liter V8. Better gas mileage, better horsepower, and much better ride now. Now, one of the great features I like about the 30Z is not only is it a couples coach, it's almost like a chameleon. You can actually have family in here as well. So if you do have a couple of kids, you can sleep them right up here. And while you're going down the road, you have nice seat belts. Now, what Jayco does with their seat belts is they're actually at 110% above the industry standard. That's 10% better than everybody else with the seatbelt. So they are reinforced into the frame. So know that when you're going down the road, your kids are going to be safe just in case anything does happen. Now, I don't know about you, but I love to camp. But on occasion, I like to glam too. So what do I mean by that? I mean, check this out. I'm sitting in this nice recliner, just relaxed back, watching some TV while it's raining perhaps. While you're out at the campground, and got a nice little fireplace to keep my little tootsies warm while I'm sitting here. So do me a favor real quick, will you go grab me that beer? Another great feature about this floor plan is the toilet area. The bathroom is separate from your sink area. So what's great about that is you can be killing two birds with one stone. Someone could be taking care of their business in here while someone else is brushing their teeth, and you can get ready together. On top of that, one thing that they did great as well is all this storage. You don't see a lot of storage in Class C's, unfortunately, but Jayco, they seem to find a way to really cramp things into small spaces. So as you can see, while you're going down the road or you're at your campsite, you got plenty of storage to put your clothes. You can definitely do a nice long 2-week trip and something like this. And we already know, the husband's drawer is going to be right here. So if you're lucky. So that might not be big enough, but we all know how that goes. Now, we talked about inside storage and how plentiful that is while you're going down the road, but let's talk about outside storage. One thing that is lacking in a lot of Class C's and manufacturers is there's not a lot of outside storage, but check this out. Big back storage there. And not only is it accessible from one side, but it's accessible from 3 different points there. You see, really stack some tables, chairs, maybe kayaks, a couple bikes even you might be able to throw in there. So that's a great thing that Jayco does, is they really find a way to make it very convenient for the customer as you're going down the road and making a good experience. So we talked earlier about the changes in the engine, and what that's also done is we have a 7,500 pound tow rating on the back of this thing. So what does that mean for you? Well, if you want to bring a car, you get to your campsite and you want to go out for a night, see a movie, or go see the sights around the area, you can do that. Or if you're that kind of dry camper likes to go out in the middle of nowhere and perhaps bring a 4x4 side-by-side or a UTV or something like that, you can definitely do that. It's definitely got the towing capacity, so it makes it very easy for you to have a great camping experience. All right, those are just a couple of things about the Greyhawk, the 30Z. If you'd like to have more information and for me to give you a personalized demonstration on this unit, or perhaps another Jayco unit, just give me a call. My name's Chuck. I'm over here at Worldwide RV.